Hello everybody and welcome back to LMM for another one of our 360-degree videos. Today we're here at the Statfold Barn Railway taking out the work shunter. Yes, out of everything that they have here they decided the work shunter was the correct thing for me to have a drive on. And so we're going to take it with two wagons from Oak Tree Holt down to Cogan Holt, which is on the balloon loop, which isn't that far, but trust me on this thing it's going to be more than far enough. So to start off with, it's a matter of turning the thing on, like so. And then we can drop the handbrake down here, give a blast on that, give away from my guard who's back there, and gently, slowly pushing the lever down here, very gently, taking up the slack in the coupling and going away. And there we go, all the way with that, and now I can slowly begin to open the throttle. Make sure the train's following me behind, and away we go. Coming to the level crossing here, so with the horn, check both sides, and off we trundle. And it's a lovely day today to be on an open top locomotive. Admittedly a slow one, but we are on the most scenic bit of the line as well. So gently through the points here. Everything bounces a bit as we head along here. And now we're about to enter the 15-mile-an-hour section of the railway. You can see the sign there. I'll be honest, it's not going to go anywhere close 15 miles an hour. A little bit more throttle. And up ahead, you can see the line starting to drop. So we'll just throttle down a little bit. Now, this bit of the line here is one of the steepest gradients on the line. It's a short bit, it's a short sprint. So we're just going to reduce our speed gently as we go onto this. You felt there the impact as the brake van rolls into us. And gently keeping it all under control. Now it's a nice dry day, so a heat unit is going to be at its max. Trying to trundle down this gently on a wet day where everything's a bit slippery would be a lot more of a challenge, but today this is just quite pleasant. So nice and gently down here, and you can see up ahead some of the remnants of when there was the 2'6" gauge on the railway as well. Used to be dual gauge, then they took it up because they just concentrated on 2 foot. Right, so now just at the bottom of the gradient now, so it means we can open it up again because the risk of sliding is pretty much over. So we'll wake our way along here, curving round, little blast of the horn for the crossing, which you might notice I can do with my knee. And here we go, trundling along quite happily. Lovely, lovely day to go for a trundle. And it's quite special as well, driving on the narrow gauge where there are two lines, parallel tracks. Makes you feel like you're out on a main line. It's quite exciting, really. And you may be able to see just over there in the distance the signal box of where we're going to. So, a bit more throttle, and away we go. This is about max power. This is basically all we've got now. We'll just find our way, trundling along here quite happily. Check back to make sure we still got a train. We do. Now, I've only ever been to the railway on busy days, so driving along on a day like this where it's empty, there's nobody else here, is quite delightful. It's so nice trundling along through the fields, almost approaching harvest time. Just a very nice way to make your way along. As we come around here, there's the whistle board for the crossing. And so again, we'll get ready with my knee just there against the button, and Very nicely laid out, this little thing. Very nice with all the trees and the woodland flanking us over there. We slowly make our way around here towards the crossing. And this is the crossing with a little path disappearing into there. Now coming up ahead you'll see there's a stop sign. I have authority to pass that and to ignore that for today. Normally you've got to stop here and wait instructions from the signal box. But we've already set the railway, there's nobody else here, so we're just going to ignore that. Coming up, we also got the 10 mile an hour sign. Makes no difference. I'm not doing 10 mile an hour. This is the lovely bit of the lines we go through here. And you know what? I'm enjoying this so much, we're actually just going to go around the balloon loop. It's going to go all the way around the balloon loop. Just let my guard know. The original plan was to stop here, but such a nice little ride. The balloon loop's so pretty. You'll see there's a ship there. I have no idea why there is a ship there. Again, we're going to ignore the stop because we've got permission to be down here. We're the only train online. So we'll just trundle past and make our way around. Up ahead you can see where the future track bed is going to go for the High Line, going around there, which is a very exciting development here. And this bit here, as we come around the corner, is where it feels more traditionally narrow gauge. Long grass over there with wildflowers. And only single track. Gradient drops away. And it's all pretty with the farmland stretching over there as well. Oh, rabbit. See the rabbit? Such a lovely day to be just going for a trundle. There's a stop board here, and this time we will pay attention to it. So we'll start by grabbing hold of the direction and the drive and slowly winding it up. And slowly reaches up, and now we can drop the throttle down. Just like that. Push that in and put that handbrake on. That brings us to the end of this trip. I hope you've enjoyed this run round at the Statfold Barn Railway. If you want more information on the railway themselves, the website is in the video description. So you can check them out And they also do things like driver experience. Probably not on this one, but if you want to do driver experience here and drive some of the amazing collection, or want to come and visit and see some of the incredible collection of locomotives, then check out their website. There's opening days, opening times, special events, and all that kind of governs. And of course, if you do kind of think, I quite like the look of that, and you want to do what I do, the railway's always looking for more volunteers, and they would love to have you. They're a lovely bunch of people. Even in my guard, he's a friendly bloke. So come and check along. They'd love to hear from you. And with that, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this 360 video, how about checking out one of our other 360 reviews, or maybe even the review on this locomotive itself. We'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.